Geography is one of my favorite subjects because it is the study of our world and the people that inhabit it. These books have interesting topics and clear objectives to engage the student in learning about geography. The workbook takes these interesting topics from the course book and turns them into fun yet challenging exercises. Personally, I really like these books and have an interest in them, and I often tell my family about these books, and they tell me that these books are great and it's amazing.
I really like geography because we learn new words, and we learn about the weather, and we learn about our Earth's landscape, and we learn everything new every day. And last year, my favorite topic was Africa. Africa used to be the richest continent in the world, but now it's not. Africa used to have the most population in the world, but not anymore. And Homo sapiens first inhabited Africa, and so our Homo sapiens are basically our ancestors, so we're related to Africa.